Hello and welcome to Learn Yourself. Today we are going to solve some of the questions from the chapter number 1. This chapter is under CBSE Standard 9. So let us start from page number 3. The first question is, which of the following are the matter? So when we are considering that this thing is a matter and this thing is not, so we will go with the matter's definition. It says that it has a mass and it occupies space. So what all things will fit into this category is a matter. So I will underline those things which are matter. First, chair. Obviously it is solid and it is a matter. Air. It is a matter. Love. No, that is a feeling. Then smell. Smell is also a feeling. If it is pertaining to some specific smell, then only it is a matter, otherwise no. Only smell is not a matter. Then hate, again it is a feeling. Then almonds, yes, it is a matter. Thought, no, it is not a matter. Cold, it is not a matter. Lemon, it is a matter. Water is a matter. And smell of perfume is a matter, because a particle of a perfume will move along with air particle and it will reach till wherever we are. So we can sense that smell. How? That particles will move along with the air particle. Only smell cannot be a matter. But smell of perfume, smell of incense stick, smell of hot food, all those are matter. But only smell is not a matter. Moving towards our next question, that is the reason that the smell of hot sizzling food reaches to you several meters away. But to get the smell from cold food, you have to go close. That means the smell of hot food will reach till us at a faster rate and easily. Whereas the cold food smell will not reach till us. So what is the reason? So I have made this table. So in a way it will be very easy to understand it and remember all the point. So we are discussing here three factors, that temperature, kinetic energy and rate of diffusion for particle of matter. So here we are comparing hot food and cold food. So you have to frame it like that hot foods particle are having a higher temperature, so that they are having a higher kinetic energy, and that's why they will diffuses easily or at a greater rate compared to cold food, and it will travel faster and reaches till us. As the rate of diffusion increases, it will move along with the air, so it will reaches till us very easily. Now whereas the cold food's temperature is low, their particles kinetic energy is also very low. So the rate of diffusion of particle to mix with the air is also low. So it cannot reach till us. To smell that, we have to go close to the cold food. So this will be the reason for this question. In that you have to discuss temperature, kinetic energy and rate of diffusion. Because of this three factor, this smell will not reach till us, whereas this smell will reach faster and at very high speed. Our next question is, a diver is able to cut through a water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? Able to cut through means, if we are waving a hand into a water, we can dip our hand and take it back. The same thing is that diver is able to cut through a water. So why we can do that? If it is a solid, can we do that? No, we cannot do that. So because of the two properties of liquid, we can do that. That liquids are having large spacing in between their particles of atoms, and their force of attraction is lower compared to solids. So first thing is they are having large gaps in between their particles of atoms, which allow us to cut through a water or wave us our hand through the water. And second thing is their force of attraction is lesser than the solid, so they will move away. So because of this two property or factors, diver can cut through into the water.